Historical background. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding the evolution of budget in India. 1. System of budget was introduced during the tenure of Lord Canning. 2. Voting on a limited portion of the budget was allowed in the Indian Council Act, 1892. 3. Provincial budget was separated from the federal budget in the GOI Act, 1919. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements. 1. The Supreme Court at Calcutta was established by the Regulating Act of 1773. 2. The jurisdiction of the Supreme Court was outlined by the Pitt's India Act. 3. The Federal Court was established as per the provisions of the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the Government of India, 1935. 1. The All India Federation was operationalized. 2. Establishment of Reserve Bank of India. 3. Diarchy at the central level was operationalized. 4. Distribution of powers between centre and states. 5. Greater powers to the Secretary of State. 6. Separation of Burma from India. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 6 only. C. 2, 4 and 6 only. D. 1, 3 and 5 only. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding the Charter Act of 1833. 1. Centralization was at its peak in the Charter Act of 1833. 2. Open system of competition for recruitment of civil servants is being operationalized. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 5. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Regarding the Indian Councils Act, 1861, A. It made the beginning of representation by associating Indians with the lawmaking process. B. Decentralization was gradually introduced from this act. C. The system of budget was introduced as per the provisions of this act. D. Act gives recognition to the portfolio system. Question 6. Consider the following statements with respect to Government of India Act. 1. Government of India Act, 1919 allowed non-official majority at the provincial level, retaining official majority at the federal level. 2. Government of India Act, 1909 introduced direct elections for the first time. Select the incorrect answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding the Indian Independence Act, 1947. 1. It abolished the office of the General of India and the British monarch's right to veto bills. 2. Governor-General, in the name of His Majesty, had full powers to give assent to the bills. 3. It abolished the office of the Secretary of State. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Pitt's India Act provided for the payment of the Board of Control charged to the East India Company. B. Local government was empowered to levy taxes by the Charter Act of 1813. C. Simon Commission recommended for the continuation of diarchy in the provinces. D. Ramsay MacDonald was called father of the communal electorate for the Communal Award, 1932. Question 9. With reference to the Indian Independence Act 1947, consider the following statements. 1. The Act designated the Governor-General of India and Provincial Governor as constitutional, nominal, heads of the states. 2. It provided for the governance under the provisions of Government of India Act of 1935 strictly without any modifications. 3. It provided that the Constituent Assembly should also function as a legislative body. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 10. Consider the following statements. 1. The Regulating Act of 1773 created the double government system. 2. The Pitt's India Act 1784 made Lord Cornwallis as the Commander-in-Chief along with the Governor-General. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.